Hey, math analysis, how are you guys today? Today we are moving on and we are talking about function operations. And as a reminder, as you watch this video, you should be taking these notes also. Make sure that if you have questions, you jot them down and we can talk about them when we see each other together. All right, so before we get into function operations, we are going to use 4 functions for our notes today. So we're going to say given m of x equals 5x plus 2. A of x equals 4 minus 6x. T of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. And h of x equals x squared minus 9. So, question, did you see what I did there? Did you? Because look, M-A-D-H. I'm so funny. Okay, here we go. Talking about function operations, there's going to be 4 different operations that we're going to discuss. 3 of which will be on this video. 1 will be on its own video. We're going to start with part A, talking about addition. All right, as we talk about addition, we're going to do some examples here, and I'm going to say m of x plus a of x. Okay, step 1, you always write down what the function is. Maybe as you get really good with lots of practice, you'll be able to get some shortcuts going on. That's fine. But right now, we're writing it all down. M of x plus a of x. Substituting in what those functions were. Notice, I put stuff in parentheses, but we're dealing with addition, so really that's the same thing as if we were to drop the parentheses here. So with addition, you don't necessarily need the parentheses, but it doesn't hurt to have them. It's a great habit. Now, we combine like terms. 5x minus 6x gives us negative x. 2 plus 4, 6. Negative x plus 6. 2. What if I said t plus h of x? Notice the difference in the notation. Number 1, we had m of x plus a of x. Here I wrote t plus h of x. Same thing. You're not multiplying by x. It just means t plus h of x. So again, replace the t. 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. And then we are going to add x squared minus 9. Noticing here, I did not put the parentheses. Again, it's addition. You don't have to. Totally can if you want to. Combine like terms. 4x squared plus 4x minus 16. Pretty little box. How are we doing with addition? Addition is meant to be very easy. You're probably thinking, great, when's the quiz on this and this alone? Doesn't work that way. Good try though. Part B. If we just did addition, what do you think we're going to talk about next? Did you think subtraction? I bet you did. I read your mind. I'm pretty good like that. Subtraction. Number 1. A minus m. Notice another notation. I didn't write a of x minus m of x, but this is the exact same thing. I just said a minus m. So 4 minus 6x, parentheses, minus 5x, got a little carried away there, plus 2, parentheses. In subtraction, parentheses are a must. Why? Oh, because you have to distribute the negative, Miss Gutierrez. So we distribute the negative. Here we go. Now we combine like terms here, and we get negative 11x plus 2 per little box. Let's go again. Number 2. Let's go with a of x minus t of x. Again, substitute in 4 minus 6x minus parentheses 3x squared plus 4x minus 7, and then distribute the negative. 4 minus 6x minus 3x squared minus 4x plus 7. Combining like terms here. Negative 3x squared minus 10x plus 11. Pretty little box. Questions so far? Remember, if you have them, write them down. All right, number 3, you try this one. H minus t plus m of x. Again, remember, just another notation. Go ahead, try this one. Press pause on the video, try the problem, then come back and check your answer. Are you ready to check your answer? All right, let's go again. And you should have gotten, I'm writing in the eraser. Let's try again. 5x. That's not the right problem. Sorry, got a little ahead of myself. Let's try this again. You should have gotten negative 2x squared plus x. Everything else cancels out. Okay, the negative 9 plus 7 and plus 2 will all cancel out. So, any questions on subtraction? All right, great. What's the next operation that you think we're going to do? Part C. Multiplication. I forgot my L. Let's try this again. Okay, multiplication. Number 1. Let's go with m of x times a of x. Okay, m of x, 5x plus 2 times 4 minus 6x. All right, how do I simplify this binomial times a binomial? You might be thinking distribute, double distribute. Some of you may even be saying FOIL, and that's totally fine. That gives us 20x minus 30x squared plus 8 minus 12x, and combine like terms, negative 30x squared plus 8x plus 8. Box. Binomial times a binomial isn't too bad. Let's do another one. Let's go ahead and do number 2. I lied. Got ahead of myself again. Goodness gracious. Can you tell that it's like late at night and I'm running out of, like, the coffee's gone? Because that's how it feels right now, guys. I'm sorry. I am not on my best. X squared minus 9 times 3x squared plus 4x minus 7. Okay, so now we have a binomial times a trinomial. So now you have to do that whole double distributive idea. And we're going to distribute this x squared to everything here. Let me get a new color and show you. X squared is going to go to all 3. The 9 is going to go to all 3. And let's see what we get. So we have 3x to the 4th power. Remember, when you multiply like bases, you add the exponents. Plus 4x cubed minus 7x squared. Now the 9. Minus 27x squared minus 36x plus 63. That plus looks like an and sign. Whoops. Anyways, now we combine like terms and we get 3x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus 34x squared minus 36x plus, there we go, that looks like a real plus sign, 63. Questions there? Your turn. Let's go ahead and we're going to do 3 you-do problems. Here we go. We'll go ahead and call this 4, 5. Nope, that would be number 3. I'm telling you, I am on a roll right now. 3. Let's go with m times h minus t. 4, we'll go with m of x plus a of x times, can I get my times, but times h of x. Oh my goodness. I don't know if that just jumped to a new slide for you guys or not. I got too close to the edge and it went next page. Okay, and number 5. Let's go with a times m times h of x. So again, pause the video, try these 3 problems, come back, check your answers, and then we'll be all done. And let's check our answers. So, m of x times h of x minus t of x, you should have gotten 5x cubed minus x squared minus 13x minus 11. Number 4, m of x plus a of x. Okay, we did that in part A actually. That ended up being negative x plus 6 times h of x gives you negative x cubed plus 6x squared plus 9x minus 54. And the last one here, a of x times m of x times h of x gives us negative 30x to the 4th plus 2, sorry, I should do the cubed first. Erase. Writing it in standard form while I do this, plus 8x cubed plus 278x squared minus 72x minus 72. How do we do, guys? Hopefully we did pretty well. Great. So again, any questions that you have, write them down. We will totally go over them when I see you next. And in the meantime, have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.